Greetings, my fellow humanoid dwellers. These visual representations cover topics from the mundane to the exemplary. If you find mild enjoyment in this visual representation, consider subscribing or becoming a Patreon at my Cheap Controls Patreon site. In this resistor tutorial, we will be showing how to get the value of the resistors using the color bands. The resistors have color bands on them, and you use those to identify the value of the resistor. You'll notice this resistor has a gold color band. Resistors will have a gold or silver color band on them to give you the tolerance. For the most part in this tutorial, we're not going to cover that. That doesn't come into play very often in most experiments. We're going to be concentrating on the other end. When you compute the value of the resistor, you start at the far end. The colors of the bands represent numbers. I have this sheet over here that shows the number. Black represents 0, brown represents 1, red represents 2, orange is 3, yellow is 4, green is 5, blue is 6, violet is 7, gray is 8, and white is 9. A way to remember it is this saying, "Big bird runs on your garden, but vegetables grow wildly." For this example right here, the first band is brown, which computes to 1. The second band is black, which computes to 0. And the first two bands make 1, 0. The third band is a multiplier. In this example, the multiplier is black, which is 1. So the value of this resistor is 1, 0, or 10 times 1, or 10 ohm. If I click on it, it shows up here the resistance is 10 ohm. We're now going to work through some examples. We're going to make an 890 ohm resistor. 8 is gray, 9 is white, and the multiplier would be 10. So 89 times 10 is 890. So if I change this to 890, we end up with gray, white, and brown. 10. The next one would be a 1000 ohm resistor, or 1K ohm resistor. The first number would be a 1. The next number would be a 0. And then you would have 2 more zeros, or times 100. 10 times 100 is 1000, so add 2 more zeros. You get brown, black, red. Brown, black, red. The next example, we're going to do a 47 ohm resistor. 4 should end up being yellow. 7 should end up being violet. 4, 7. Yellow, violet, and then no multiplier, black. The next example will be a 3300 ohm resistor, or 3.3K. So 3 is orange. So it should end up being orange, orange, red. Orange, orange, red. I'm going to do one more, which is a 56 meg ohm resistor, or 56 million ohm resistor. 56. 5 is green, 6 is blue, green, blue, and black in this case is 56. Million would be blue. We'll add 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blue. In Tinkercad, you can do it a different way. Go down here and change this to 56 megohm, which is the same result. And that's just a quick tutorial on the color bands on a resistor. Thanks for watching.